This is a demo of the quick purchase order program. In order to upload a purchase order into this program, it must be in a editable PDF. Here is a picture of what one would look like. On the ASI website, there will be a list of states and the vendors within that state who can furnish it in said format. First thing we want to do here is to open the program. Simply double click the shortcut on the desktop. You're going to get a login window. We're going to say login. I'm going to make this bigger so it's easier on the eyes. This is what the program looks like. It's much like Spirits in that the top section is for the actual purchase order. The bottom section is what is on said purchase order. So first step, we're going to upload a fresh PO that's never been uploaded. So we're going to say upload invoice. I'm going to browse for the invoice we're trying to upload. Here it's going to tell us the path of where it's located. Down here it's going to tell us the name of the PDF. We're going to say upload. The status down here should say file downloaded successfully. I'm going to say close. There's our purchase order. A couple of things here. First time you upload it, it needs to be associated in Spirits with the V code, which stands for vendor code. So we're going to click in there. We're going to go down here to the bottom. We're going to say update vendors. What this does, it opens up a dialog box so we can choose it. On the left side here, it tells us it came from Georgia Crown Distributing. On the right side is a list of vendors that are already in Spirits. I'm simply going to hit G to go down to the G's. And I see that the vendor, the V code for Georgia Crown is G. Click over here, put a G in. I'll say close. And now, as you see, it now recognizes purchase order details down here. What these colors mean down here is that if it's green, it's actually the price is lower than it was last time it was purchased. If it's red, you're paying more for it than you paid for it last time. If the color is clear or white, it's going to be the same price. If it's blue like this one here, that means it's not associated. And you can tell the giveaway here is the SKU has a 0. So like the vendor, we're going to associate this SKU with the database in Spirits. We click right here. We're going to say update products. Get a dialog box like we got before. On the right side is what it is in Quick PO. On the left side is what's in Spirits. We're just going to type in the name here to find it. There it is right there. If you already know the SKU, you could simply just put it in there. Just going to highlight this, hit Control C for copy, go over here, Control V to paste it. And then I'm going to say save. When you hit the save button, this window will open. It says found new VID entries. Do you want to add an UPC table? Always say yes here. And just going to save it for you. So now we notice it is now associated. Very important here. It will not allow you to add the order in Spirits unless all lines have a SKU associated with it. So now we have all lines have a SKU on it. We're going to say add orders in Spirits. Do you want to add orders in Spirits? We're going to say yes. One new orders has been added successfully. Now let's see the fruits of our labor. We're going to pop over to the back room and we're going to go to Georgia Crown. We're going to go to orders. And as we see, there's our purchase order right there. Additionally, what I'd like to point out at this juncture is that if we go to that product we associated, we open up the UPC box, we see that it now has a VID, a vendor ID, and that's a one-time process, just like associating the vendor is a one-time process. If we were to upload this PO again, everything would upload because everything's associated with it. And that is how you upload an invoice using the Quick PO program. Saves time, effort, and energy.